Introducing the stunning 2021 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT 2.0 TDI 150 HP DSG in blue. This estate vehicle is packed with features for your comfort and safety, including air conditioning, satellite navigation, and multiple airbags. With luxurious interior trim and stylish exterior chrome accents, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. Safety is a top priority with features like ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The Skoda Kodiaq also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us today or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive away in style and peace of mind with the Skoda Kodiaq.